Assalamualaikum.
My name is ATISYA QISTINA binti HAZARIN.
My name is NURRUL Aqilah binti Bahai.
Today we're going to do a role play about negotiation selling electrical appliances. I am a sales girl,
I am a customer.
so
Stay tuned and enjoy.
Can I help you find something?
I would like to buy a new washing machine.
Yeah, sure. Oh, that's good washing machine. What is your requirement?
I just need a basic washing machine that can handle heavy lifting.
What is your budget?
I can afford high budget, but I will try to manage it.
Can I show you another brand?
Yes, please.
Grab and Eco Bubble washing machine, the latest model here.
What's great about it?
It is an automatic washing machine which is have special features, 11 year of warranty.
What features?
The features is you have digital inverter and it comes with hot water cycle.
Does it come with dryer?
Yeah, it is a washer and a dryer.
What is the maximum load capacity?
The maximum load of capacity is 9 kg for washer and 6 kg for dryer.
May I see inside by myself?
Yeah, sure.
Wow, you are right. This washing machine is great. How much does it cost?
The normal price retail is 4,599.
I see. For my budget, have any discount?
You are so lucky because we are offering the Merdeka celebration, which is have discount for any purchase per month.
How much discount?
The discount is the washing machine could be 3,599, and you can get a microwave, Samsung microwave, which is worth about 399.
That's great. But do you have installment plan? As I said, I was a little bit tight.
For a month.
I would be able to spare 500 a month.
Do you have any credit card?
Yes, I have. There is some credit card.
If that's the case, we can offer an interest-free monthly payment for 300 for 12 months. Is it okay?
Yeah, wonderful. So, have any register?
Yeah. If all the documentation is on order, we will be able to send to you by 5 working days.
Yes, I can do that. So, what can we do now?
If it's all okay, we can do the paperwork at the counter. It's done. This is the receipt. Anything, I will call you for the washing machine.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks for watching.